Last time, we introduced the idea that texture is the way that music is structured vertically. We listened to the melody and the accompaniment, separately, of Mozart's Rondo alla Turca, noting the obvious differences between them. Today we will look at what happens if there are two equally important melodies. Describe the texture of this piece, a question you might be familiar with if you're taking music as a subject at school or college. As I said in episode 1, this is a multiple choice question. Today we are looking at polyphony, which is the first of 3 words which end in phony and come from ancient Greek. Poly means many and phony means sounds, many sounds. In practice, this means that whereas in the Mozart there was one melody, more interesting and therefore important, and one set of lines comprising the accompaniment, vital for the character of the piece, but not as recognisable or interesting as the melody. Listen to this melody. Dulcis est sonus opera. It's from a piece called Dulcis est somnus, Sweet is Sleep, by the Renaissance composer Antoine Brumel. It's not a masterpiece of a melody, but it's clearly not just an accompaniment. Now listen to this melody from the same piece. Dulcis est sonus operanti. In fact, this is quite similar to the other melody, but with some subtle differences. Again, it's not going to win awards anytime soon, but Brumel's masterstroke becomes clear when we hear these two related melodies at the same time. Dulcis est sonus Neither of them is particularly more exciting than the other. They are both very similar anyway, so we couldn't say one is a melody and one is accompaniment. Up in the right-hand corner of the screen right now is a piece for choir by the English composer William Byrd, in which he has not just 2 but 5 related melodies happening at the same time, and still no accompaniment. Texture is the way the lines of music relate to each other. In polyphony, 2 or more melodies of equal importance are played or sung at the same time. This was particularly prevalent in the Renaissance period of the late 1400s to early 1600s, but occurs in many other genres, including Dixieland, an early form of jazz.